Hey, I'm D Revolution. I've written 3 books, 4 screenplays, and I've recorded 3 spoken word CDs. I've been studying storytelling for 30 years. Like and subscribe to my page. Press the notification button, and I promise if you watch my videos, you have a great understanding on how to tell a story. Now, this video is about just telling the complete story. Make sure you tell a complete story. When you write your story, make sure that by the time you get to the end, you leave no question or no doubt in the reader's mind about what happened. And sometimes, and this happened to me, sometimes the way your story may move, when you're writing it, you find yourself having to write an extra chapter or two just to complete it. And like everybody else, I don't like when that happens. If I'm writing and some things transpire in the story, and then I say, well, but this got to happen to complete that part of it. Sometimes you got to go out of your way, write an extra chapter to get there, write an extra chapter, 2 chapters, or whatever. But it's better to do that and have a complete story than to get to an end of a story and it feel like it was rushed, the end was rushed, or it felt like it fell flat. You don't want to spend a lot of time writing the story and it falls flat at the end, because, you know, I used to do that. I used to rush the end because I wanted to have to get to the end of my story, and it made me a lazy writer. And I finally got to the point where I was like, you know, I'm going to just start taking my time and make sure that I tell a fully developed story and not rush towards the end. Because what you don't know is that people who read books, they notice that. They know when a story falls flat. They know that it started being rushed, you know. And like myself as a writer, I know that when they do that in movies. I've seen movies that were so good but then fall flat at the end. So make sure that you're crossing all your T's and dotting all your I's. And, you know, I would even say go the extra mile to make a great story, to make a complete story, and make people like, wow, okay. You know, just making people, you know, just those little things right there is what's gonna carry you as an author. When you do the extra stuff, the littlest thing, it's the littlest thing that people are gonna notice that you should make a part of your story. And just make sure when you get to the end, you're not cutting any corners, and you're not leaving a doubt in the reader's mind about the story and what they may figure out. I'm D Revolution. Please like, subscribe, and press the notification button on my page so you'll know when I'm posting a video. I am here to help you guys. Just gotta believe that I know what I'm speaking of. And just like my page. Peace. Have a good day.